ho ya busuane ye wo toase krom yes ye wo toase ya e wo atwema asantema mu na mede kia ka ho nsem abon da rechew aka se Nyankopon twedi ampon ya adom a ene dai ya eye bronya achi bosome miensa ne da ya etoso eye aduonu ensia e wa afempim mienu ene eye aduonu ensia mu Yesu Kristo ewu achi no ni nyina eye na nato asehene Mr. Meka eye krobia asante kotoko no abom ase na brempon nyame adaroma Nyankopon humobro ni ndi odi adom nti wasi community center kese pa edi ama to ase kuro no yes na nato asehene na jim awre abebio wasi community center kese pa edi ama ni kuro ya eye to ase ne nanom nyina e pa hontoma enso I want to ask you sabre ya baba du to ask you mu adwumadini nya nhyase na nso afi na ohene eda apakan mu ankakra we be kasa buni be kasa royal procession of the chief of Twase na obeda apakan mu anaso wada apakan mu no de ebediasa e akọ adwabo no ase to hwe ba bia mjina sabre aha aye Twase senior high school animu ho na bodu Twase kro no mu ene e free Twase senior high school wa ekwa de kopem aya ahimfio de enje bekwa ahimfio no ho asema mekan asanteman ahyenso asanteman ahyenso de enko a ena odi esiesie ha nyina ma biase na obi onse no kure ene na nato ase ehene dwumadie ya atwedi amponyankopon nam santene so de share nsa no wasom ye na wakonkoden ama wadwen ne manfo ho enu nti ne asema mekan beded ni na yehu anya community center keto akra community center kese pa ena krobia sante kotoko hene na brempon abom ase na jim ahore abebio ya wono na ye na nato ase ne nyame nam so na wasi ye na ye pound man sabre nana ena eda pakan mu a oba no enche na duwa ibetwa de akere ne mum ye nhya se fi ha ene abrafo ene na mama chiamefo ena na matsenkunya obi biara ya osafata no som ewo kroyimu esun wonkunya sasi so wonyina ekasanti ho a ene na ekọ na basa obi na afam de e attach said dia esi etienti nanom achiamefo afanom atsenkunya ena wonyina ekasanti ho asabe woba na oji ohene tata ansa na yeguda na nato ase hene kotoko ne brempon oba bedu adwabo no ase na bibia enso ayasuje na fe bibia enso ayekabehwe nti de meme ha na ntwa no a ebe yemfa enso amansan to ase kromu ene to ase at the nesanse na najim awre abebio na nato ase hene kotoko ne brempon ene dwumadie kasisi awaye sabi kwanifo se asansa wo fa bia odire nti ordanity de ache to ase kromu na nana meme ha na ntwa ni sabi na da bakan mu a ene ya odiche buku ene fa na different ya ebote na najim awre abebio so and atase na na sabi na fa da bakan mu no the Twase go asensa nana jim awre abebio nana Twase ne sabre on the bakan mu a And then royal procession of the chief of Swansea through the principal street of Swansea, through the road that leads to the royal palace of Swansea. It's a beautiful display of the rich Ashanti culture of the Ashanti people in sub-Saharan Africa. And also Sabre. Now that's what the door is here. I see one. So catch your breath. So just join us as we do the live feed, the royal procession of the chief of Swansea through the principal streets of Swansea, through the principal road that leads to the chief's palace of Swansea. In his full regalia, riding between the palanquin as he displays beautiful rich cultural dance to show that he is the owner of the Swansea town. The king of the Ashanti kingdom. Of course, he is a caretaker. In Ashanti, we say he's a caretaker of the Swansea land for the king of the Ashanti kingdom. Live on YouTube by Grace TV. So, Nina, yes, everybody can catch on. Nina, and the make awesome. And the show, yeah, twice and and then bring you all the updates live from the Swansea Royal Palace. Okay. Obusati santa America wants to go. They should be the power. Once America na mo ti se bi akọta do ha oni. Obu santa ni so no. Na enya obu santa ni to kra. O share ni you. But so na was here. 600 and on wa peja we dey ke sei and yes we mo na no na pound ma. So to the end so na your coffee no Amasai. This is the community center. Enya se bi to kra. Conference halls I can see a person in the room. Apart from conference halls, it's a stores in the wild. Stores I can see, don't be a piano. What's the room? I said, well, the girl I can see a word to one. And I have dear pa. And that's what's in it. And I'm more any your than I shim. I'm going to say, you're shortly. I'm going to have a memo. This life from